Welcome everybody. Today I will be reviewing the Dell Inspiron 16 Plus 7640 laptop. Discounted Amazon links in the description, don't miss out. The Dell Inspiron 16 Plus 7640 is a powerhouse of a laptop, designed to strike a balance between performance, productivity, and aesthetic appeal. With a feature set that caters to professionals, creatives, and power users, this device stands out in its category. The 16.0-inch 2.5K display, 2560 by 1600 resolution, is one of this laptop's standout features. The 16:10 aspect ratio provides extra vertical screen space, making it ideal for multitasking, editing documents, and working on creative projects. The high-resolution display offers sharp visuals, vibrant colors, and excellent brightness levels, enhancing both productivity and entertainment experiences. The ice blue finish gives the laptop a premium and modern aesthetic that feels refreshing compared to more traditional designs. At the heart of this machine is the Intel Core Ultra 7-155H processor and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 GPU, a combination that ensures top-tier performance for demanding tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and even gaming. The 16GB DDR5 RAM allows seamless multitasking, while the 1TB SSD provides ample storage and lightning-fast read/write speeds, ensuring quick boot times and smooth application performance. Whether you're working on intensive creative projects, running multiple applications simultaneously, or indulging in high-resolution gaming, this laptop handles it all with ease. Running Windows 11 Home, the laptop delivers an intuitive and feature-rich user experience. Windows 11's focus on productivity and modern UI complements the Inspiron 16 Plus's capabilities perfectly. Additionally, the inclusion of Dell's on-site and migrate service adds an extra layer of convenience, ensuring that users have access to professional support when needed. The laptop's cooling system is efficient, keeping performance consistent even during extended workloads. The keyboard is comfortable and responsive, and the large trackpad offers excellent precision, adding to the overall usability of the device. The Dell Inspiron 16 Plus 7640 is a fantastic choice for professionals, creatives, and anyone looking for a powerful and versatile laptop. Its sleek design, robust hardware, and thoughtful features make it a compelling option. While it's slightly pricier than some competitors, the quality and performance justify the investment. If you're in the market for a laptop that can handle both work and play with style, the Inspiron 16 Plus 7640 is an excellent pick. Discounted Amazon links in the description, don't miss out.